Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a Google Docs spreadsheet shortcut in your Google Drive. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Google spreadsheet and then select the File tab up at the top left and then select where it says Add Shortcut to Drive. And that's all you have to do. Then just select your drive and then select the add button, and that's it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.